Today, Mila sees the sea for the first time. The sea will give her a little gift. What do you think it is? Write your guess in the comments in English. Learn the polite words for a happy day by the sea. Let's go to the sea with Mila. It is Sunday morning. The sky is blue and clear. Last Saturday, Mila went to the market. She met an old friend again. Today, Mila wants something new. She wants to go to the sea.
I love the market, but today I want to see the sea. I want to feel the wind and the waves.
Mila takes a small bus. The bus drives for a long time. Mila looks out of the window. She sees green hills. Then she sees a little town. The bus stops near the town.
Okay, I am here. But where is the beach? I cannot see the sea yet.
Mila walks down a small street. She sees a man near a flower shop. The man looks kind. Mila wants to ask him a question.
Excuse me, is this the way to the beach?
Yes, it is. Walk down this street. Then turn left. You will see the sea.
Thank you very much. Have a lovely day.
Mila walks down the street. She turns left, and then she stops. She can hear something soft. It is the sound of waves.
Oh, I can hear the sea. The waves are so soft.
Today, Mila goes to the seaside. She must ask the way. She wants to buy something, and she wants to enjoy the sea. Here are some useful sentences for a day at the seaside.
Number 1. Excuse me, is this the way to the beach?
Excuse me, is this the way to the beach?
Number 2. How much is the kite, please?
How much is the kite, please?
Number 3. Look at the sea. It is so beautiful.
Look at the sea. It is so beautiful.
Number 4. Can I sit here, please?
Can I sit here, please?
Good. Now let us go back to the story. Mila walks a little more, and then she sees it. The beach is in front of her. The sand is soft and golden. The sea is big and blue. The waves come and go. White gulls fly in the sky.
Look at the sea. It is so beautiful. Oh, it is so big.
Mila walks onto the sand. She takes off her shoes. The sand is warm under her feet. She is very happy. Near the water, there is a small stall. The stall sells colorful kites. A young man stands by the stall. He has a warm, friendly smile.
Good morning. Welcome to the beach. It is a lovely day for the sea.
Good morning. Yes, it is a beautiful day. I am so happy to be here.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is my first time. The sea is wonderful, and your kites are so pretty.
Thank you. I make them myself. I am Niko. I live near the beach.
Nice to meet you, Niko. I am Mila.
Niko shows Mila his kites. There are red kites and blue kites. There is a yellow kite, like the sun. There is a kite with a big fish on it.
They are all so beautiful. I love the blue one. It is the color of the sea.
Mila looks at the blue kite again. She really wants it.
How much is the kite, please?
The blue kite is 10 pounds.
10 pounds. Okay, I will take the blue kite, please.
A very good choice. The blue kite flies high. Come, I will show you. Let us fly it together.
Niko and Mila walk to the open sand. The wind is soft but strong. Niko holds the kite. Mila holds the string. Then Niko lets the kite
Run a little, Mila. Run with the wind.
Mila runs on the sand. The kite goes up, up, up into the blue sky. It flies high above the sea.
It is flying. Look, Niko, my kite is flying.
Yes, you did it. It flies very well.
The kite dances in the wind. The gulls fly near it. Mila feels like a happy child again.
Oh, this is wonderful. I cannot stop smiling. Thank you so much, Niko.
After a while, Mila brings the kite down. She holds it with care. Then she looks at the sand. Something is shining there. It is a small shell. The shell is white and pink.
Oh, look! A little shell. It is so pretty.
That is a lucky shell. The sea gives them to kind people. Please, keep it.
Thank you. I will keep it forever. It is my gift from the sea.
Mila is happy. She has a blue kite and a little shell. Niko points to a quiet place on the sand.
Can I sit here, please?
Of course, it is a perfect place. You can watch the sea from here.
Mila sits down on the warm sand. She holds her shell in her hand. She watches the waves. They come and go, again and again. The sea is calm. The wind is soft. Mila feels calm too.
This is a perfect day. The sea, the wind, a new kite, and a new friend.
I am happy you came today, Mila. Please come to the beach again.
I will. I love this place. Thank you for everything, Niko.
Thank you, Mila. Have a lovely day.
You too. Have a lovely day.
Let us look at the story again. On Sunday, Mila went to the seaside. She asked the way. She said, "Excuse me, is this the way to the beach?" She found the beach. The sand was soft. The sea was blue. Mila met a kind man. His name is Niko. Niko makes kites by the sea. Mila said, "How much is the kite, please?" She bought a blue kite. They flew it together. The kite went high in the sky. Mila found a little shell on the sand. She said, "Look at the sea. It is so beautiful." Then she said, "Can I sit here, please?" She sat down and watched the waves. It was a perfect day at the seaside. Now we will practice. Listen and repeat after me. Number 1. Excuse me, is this the way to the beach? Number 2. How much is the kite, please? Number 3. Look at the sea. It is so beautiful. Number 4. Can I sit here, please? Number 5. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Very good. You did well. Now, 3 small questions. Listen carefully and think. Question 1. You do not know the way to the beach. What do you say? Think for a moment. A good answer is, "Excuse me, is this the way to the beach?" Question 2. You want to buy a kite. You want to know the price. What do you say? Think for a moment. A good answer is, "How much is the kite, please?" Question 3. You want to sit on the sand. What do you say? Think for a moment. A good answer is, "Can I sit here, please?" Very good. You are learning well. Today, you learned useful sentences for a day at the seaside. You learned to say, "Excuse me, is this the way to the beach?" You learned the word beach. You learned the word sea. You learned the word wave. You learned the word kite. Practice these sentences every day. Soon, you will use them by the sea. Thank you for listening to Story Bridge English. If you liked this story, please subscribe to our channel for more slow English stories. A new slow English story is coming very soon. Have a calm and happy week. See you in the next story.